Welcome to all of you involved in virtualization and software-defined networks. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you the VMware NSX Fundamentals training program. This program is designed for all of you who are either currently in or interested in virtualization and SDN, software-defined networks. This comprehensive training program includes over 14 hours of video-based training and lessons, including, but not limited to, the software-defined data center, SDDCs, networking fundamentals, NSX Labs, as well as NSX Manager and Control Center, logical switched networks, distributed logical routing, along with VPNs, NSX Edge Load Balancers, Firewalls, and security architectures, and finally, Multi-vCenter NSX. So I think you can see that this is a very robust, in-depth training program from which you will gain high-demand, highly marketable skills in VMware NSX, a segment of the market that is far outpacing traditional hardware-based routing and data centers. I invite you to learn more by clicking on the link below our video. Our website, as always, has full course curriculum details which will help answer any of your questions, along with a registration link that will allow you to enroll today in this valuable training program and take your career in SDN and VMware NSX to the next level, opening up new career and income opportunities. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central. As always, I wish you much success. Hope to see you soon.